To perform a preload adjustment, begin with no air in the door engine. Then remove the bolts holding the connecting rods to the teeter bar. Now remove the connecting rods from the teeter bar. Then apply air and set the engine into the door closed position with air on. Reapply the connecting rods to the teeter bar. Connect the rear number 4 panel first. Turn the connecting rod by hand to adjust its length to fit onto the teeter bar. Once the connecting rod is fitted onto the teeter bar, turn the rod again to move the door panel. As you turn the connecting rod, you will see the door panel move in the outboard direction. Once the rod has been turned by hand as much as possible, use a wrench to apply a little more preload on the door against the jam seal. Never turn the connecting rod more than 2 turns. Usually, 1 turn is sufficient to apply a proper preload. Check the quality of the seal by pulling on the trailing edge of the door. The seal should be strong and tight, and the door should not be able to be pulled inboard. Now that the connecting rod is the proper length, reinstall the bolt and snug it with a wrench. After the number 4 panel is adjusted, now adjust the number 3 panel, which overlaps the number 4 panel. Close door panel number 3 and adjust its connecting rod until it fits onto the teeter bar. Then install the retaining bolt and snug it with a wrench. Then turn the connecting rod to move the trailing edge of door panel number 3 out. Apply preload so the trailing edge of door panel number 3 comes into contact with the jam seal. Test the amount of preload on door panel number 3 by pulling on it. The door should be snug and resist moving inward. Now that both doors are adjusted properly, move the jam nuts down into place on both ends of the connecting rods and tighten them with a wrench. The jam nuts should be torqued to 30 foot-pounds. Then apply a torque seal between the jam nut and the connecting rod. Do the same with the connecting rod for door number 3. Tighten the jam nut at the teeter end and also at the opposite end of the connecting rod. Then apply the torque seal to both jam nuts on connecting rod for door number 3.